Hi, my name is Ian Jones. I'm in Perth, Western Australia. Our team is called SCUBAAid and our project is called Oxygen Therapy. We have a couple of other projects as well. We are a group of divers and engineers in Western Australia and the UK, and we're creating open source ideas and tools to help fight COVID-19 and future epidemics using the scuba industry and the scuba ecosystem.
And we're even running out of oxygen, which is something that patients that have COVID-19 need. So we don't want to tell.
And we're running out of equipment in the hospital. Nearly everybody coming to the emergency department has this, and we're getting completely overwhelmed.
Use the scuba equipment and the scuba industry and the whole ecosystem around there, as well as privately held tanks from volunteers, to turn diving tanks, normally full of compressed air, into oxygen tanks that can be used in the medical industry. So if we fill these with 100% oxygen, the first basic idea we have is to use these. They're available for about £70, $140, 200 Aussie dollars, and they literally fit in the scuba tank's top here, and they allow us to connect with this pin index system here, which is what this is. This is a standard medical oxygen regulator for portable oxygen. Some of the bigger ones, they use a different clamp. If you run out of medical equipment, then the next stage is to go to something more battlefield. This little 3D printed widget, we call it a SCUBAAid. Okay, so you can see this a little bit better. That's the SCUBAAid, the OxySci that we come up with. Bit of PTFE tape on the bottom, fits in there. Elastic band around there, or we can wire it if we wanted to. That holds that in place. The O2 fits on the side like that, and that's it. You can hear it flowing. That fits onto here, and you can turn this on and you can see you can get quite a good flow rate through here. You can see the bag inflating, and you can get quite good sensitive adjustment in the regulator that we normally have. These things can be knocked out, these little OxyScis, they can be knocked out by 3D printing in a matter of a couple of minutes each, and we can print them at 16 at a time. They cost pennies. There's a little bit of PTFE tape to hold them in place there. Okay, that ends our presentation. You can find us on Facebook if you search SCUBAAid. As I said, the main it's several different concepts in one. The key concept is using scuba equipment, the scuba industry, and scuba divers volunteering their kit to supply oxygen therapy at either 39% O2 or 100% O2. And if it's used at below 40% O2, it can also bypass industrial oxygen altogether. Thanks very much.